Think back to the last time you saw a mushroom. Was it in a stir fry that you ate or a tea that you drank? Did you walk through the forest and spot something colorful poking out of the ground? Or did you pick Toad as a character in a Mario game? In any of these instances, you interacted with the fruiting body of a fungus. But what is a fungus, and why should you care? Hi, my name is Lindsay Paradise, and together let's dive into the fascinating world of fungi. Fungi are a group of spore-producing living organisms that belong to their own biological kingdom. Some examples of fungi are truffles, molds, and yeasts. Mycology, which comes from the Greek words myces and logos, is the branch of science dedicated to studying fungi. Although fungus may trigger visions of black mold or athlete's foot, in most cases fungi are something to appreciate rather than fear. In fact, fungi are responsible and essential for life as we know it. Fungi served as root systems for land plants for tens of millions of years until plants evolved their own root systems. And even in the present day, over 90% of plants depend on mycorrhizal fungi. You may not know it, but if you eat bread, drink beer or wine, or take a penicillin-based antibiotic, then you may interact with fungi on a daily basis. As I mentioned, mushrooms are the fruiting bodies of fungi. They spread spores similar to how plants spread seeds. However, mushrooms are just the tip of the iceberg. Underground, a fungus is made up of thread-like structures called hyphae. These units work together to form an interconnected network known as mycelium. And to me, mycelium is the coolest part, as it is responsible for breaking down organic matter, recycling toxins, and, get this, communicating with plants. Fungi are the masterminds behind the intricate underground mycorrhizal network known as the Wood Wide Web. They gather nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus from the soil and exchange them for carbon from the roots of the plants. They can also move excess resources from a prosperous tree to one that is struggling to maintain balance in the ecosystem. Finally, fungi can serve as a messenger of electrical and chemical distress signals between plants. So if beetles attack one tree, the others know how to prepare. As an engineer, fungi are exciting because of their ability to be used as sustainable and biodegradable material alternatives. A company called Ecovative is pioneering mycelium-based products ranging from textiles to packaging to aerospace-grade construction materials. Very soon, we could be living in a world where structures are grown instead of built, and where non-biodegradable plastic packaging is swapped for fully biodegradable and chemical-free mycelium-based packaging. And since fungi can transmit electrical signals, researchers are also attempting to use their mycelium to make flexible and wearable computing circuits and sensors. This is especially exciting now that e-waste is such a pressing issue. Just as fungi helped lay the groundwork for life on Earth billions of years ago, they may also be the tool that we need to combat humanity's biggest challenges related to medicine, climate change, and sustainable living. So the next time you see a mushroom, whether that be outside, on your dinner plate, or in a Mario game, smile and remember that fungi are not just a part of our past, but an essential and promising part of our future.